Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome into a marvelous Monday. Hope everybody had a great weekend. I got swept up in the Charlie Kirk Memorial yesterday. How beautiful it was. And I'm like Donald Trump. I'm like Erica, she's too kind to the guy that killed her. She's able to forgive and all of that. And that was just inspiring to see that and the number of people that were there. Just a beautiful tribute to Charlie. And anyway, our prayers for Erica and the family and all of his family, his parents and his sister and everyone. But good to see the memorial and so many people around the world that got to share in that. Hope everybody's having a great day. The market I thought was going to be down earlier today. When I was listening to the radio, they give the market update and the market was down, but it cannot be held down. Can it? Look at this. Waka, and then choppy, 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 choppy. AD going up, up and away. The VIX at 15, the AD at negative 127, the AD high is negative 56, which means that we might not be done for the day. We may have a down day in the market that's only up 8 points. The AD low, look at this, was negative 303. NASDAQ up 50 points or 0.83%, doing a little bit better than the E-minis. And our volume, oh, it looks like most bars, well, not most bars, but a lot of bars are above 2,000 contracts every 2 minutes. So a little bit better volume than we had on Friday. Let's see what our big green monster looks like. Hard to believe it's September 22nd. I think it's the first day of fall or the second day of fall. One of those, but we're no longer in summer. Let's see what our volume profile looks like. Volume profile. Look at this. We oscillated, whatever the word is, around the 0% line before we decided to go up. Then we came back down. We almost tested the support area here. Now we're at the value area high. And it looks like we are up, up and away, my friend. 67.86 may be on the way within the next 10 days and maybe a possible visit here. So we always draw the probability cone to see where we'll go, but we should be in this area for the next 10 days. Everything looks really, really good. Let's see if we could get our little friend, the linear regression. Linear regression really puts it into perspective. We are at a 45-degree angle going up, up, and away. We had trouble getting above the 6,500. We finally broke out, and then it has been to the moon, baby, to the moon. And it looks like 6,800 is coming, and perhaps, we don't know how quickly, but maybe in the month of October, would you think that we could possibly get up to that 6,900? And then we'll be talking about the E-minis at a whopping 7,000. Ladies and gentlemen, let it begin before the end of the year. This would be good. And this is really helping our TTQ position. Someone asked the other day, they said, hey, Bob, are you still doing the TQQQ? Yes, I am. This account is all TQQQ, up $66 on the day, up $1,700 on the year. And remember, we were down 12,000 here because I was in TQQQ and I bailed out in April, the worst time to bail out because I thought it could get much worse. But we're doing fantastic today. We're up $8, even though the market is up and I've still got a call. Let's see what our Greeks are. We are negative 20 and our deltas. Oh no, my theta is now less than the 36 that I need, right? I need 36 in theta. So now I've got theta 33, Vega negative 82, 37%. Let's see if we see what our positions look like. Let's go to the trade tab and see where is my little positions. MES, what is it? Z5 now? There we go. Yeah, look at this, y'all. We have blown the call at. We have one call here. It's hurting us a little bit here. And but our puts, our army of puts and our 111s are doing fabulous. So what I want to do today, and I apologize about my dogs in the background, what I want to do today is I want to put on another 111. It is not an opportune time to do it with the VIX at 15. It is not an opportune time to do it with the market being up. But I need some beta. So let's do this. Let's go over here to the trade tab. Let's go to the playbook. And we've been going about 120 days out. So we'll go to 116 days. 116 days. And we'll do a 50 wide put debit spread. So we'll do this and this, and we'll try to move that up to about going to cost us about $10. So let's move it up to $7.95, $8.75, $9.60, $10.50. Let's do the $9.60, $6,500, $64.50s. And let's make sure we get filled here. So let's try that. Nope. So let's go to our activity. And this is the one that we did today. Yeah, here we go. Replace order. So let's go to 950, see if we can get this one fixed. Might have to play with it a little bit. Activity. Now let's go up to 10. That's about where we want to get it filled. Let's see if that'll get it filled. And we are in, baby. We are in. Now you see that our theta is at 35. Can't believe it went up. Wasn't it less than that? It was 37. A put debit spread. Let me make sure I bought the right one and sold the right one. Yes, so I bought the 6,500, sold the 6,450. So let's go down to about 60 days. And we got a 60-day even here. Let's go to 60 days. And let's sell something for about $20. So it cost us 10. Let's move up a little bit closer. Let's collect $23 here. Give us a little extra. So that's about an 8 delta. 8 delta. Yeah. 23. Let's sell one of these. I like doing the 111. So let's do it for 20. Let's see if we can get 23 and a quarter. Come here, baby. Nope, not doing activity. We'll take a little less, replace, make it less advantageous for you. That's how you remember how to do it. And we are filled, baby. So let's go to our positions. So now we've got, make sure, let's see, we've got EOS bill, MES Z, MES H6. So we've got 62, 25, where are those? 25 and 60s. Not sure what that is. Let's see. This is our 60 that we just sold, wasn't it? So this one, oh, it's not going to let me group them, y'all. Because they're in different expirations. Oh man, I hate that. Well, that's fine. I just have to remember that. And remember that we've got one here. So we got a 111 first that's up 95%. We got a strangle that's down $21 today because the market keeps going up. We're down $168. What my plan is on this strangle now is to close it at a 200% loss, which it doesn't look like we're going to get there, or close it at 21 days. So by this Friday, I should be taking this strangle off. Hopefully we'll get a nice down move and that one will come into some profit there. That's what my hope is. 1117 doing good, 1115 doing good, 1116 doing good. The 112, just to put debit spread, is already paid for, so it can't lose money. The 111 fourth looking great. The 111 third looking good. 6150, 6100. Did I already take the? I guess I did. That's the put debit spread. So I guess I've already taken that off. And let's see what's in this thing here. Let's see. Let's take this and see. These are my new ones today, right? Yeah. So this would be, let's say 1118. So we'll group positions. We'll say it 1, 1, 1, 8. Not bad. Group position 1, 1, 1, 8. And I guess I should get this one. Let's see. 1, 1, 1, 8, 2. Let's see. We'll go group positions and we'll call this 1, 1. I don't think it'll let me do 8 the same thing. It should say I've already got one like that. Let's see what it says. No, it did that. Oh. So let's see if it's got them all in 1118. Okay, yeah, 1118, 1118. We got it. It would let me reuse that. Well, that's interesting to know. So we're good to go. Real traders never trade alone. They trade with a fellow nerds. We got Brad in the house. We got Brandon. We got Chain. We got DB. We got Make the 111 Great Again, which is exactly what we're doing. And we got the Murph Dog. And we got Vicky with a Y out in California. and across the world. Ladies and gentlemen, that is our program for today. Very short and sweet. Just put on a little thing and look at this. We got our theta above 0.001 times our net lick. So we are at 38% buying power, and we are looking good. Hope y'all have a good rest of your day, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.